Assalamualaikum and good morning. We are from Diploma in Human Resource Management, Session 38 for subject Human Resource Information System. The topic is Attendance Record System. This report prepared by Nur Alia Shakira binti Ahmad Termizi, Aina Fatini binti Muhammad Baizal Khan, Nur Amalia Aiza binti Nazdi, Nur Hidayah binti Roslan, and Muhammad Kaizal bin Muhammad Rizal. This report prepared for Ms. Anis Munirah binti Abdul Aziz. For the introduction, attendance record system is a system used by organizations to track and manage employees' working hours, including their check-in, check-out, late arrivals, and absence. This system helps ensure that accurate and reliable data is recorded for every employee, making it easier for employers to monitor punctuality and work discipline. In the workplace, it plays a vital role in workforce management as it helps identify attendance trends, maintain fairness, and improve productivity. For the functions of attendance records daily employee attendance, monitor and analyze attendance patterns, integrate with payroll system, ensure compliance with labor laws, provide notifications and alerts, securely store attendance data, and improve operational efficiency. Then, for the benefits of attendance records, we have first, accurate attendance tracking. We can ensure precise recording of employee work hours. Second, improve payroll's accuracy. It lets calculate salaries, overtime, and deductions correctly. Third, enhance productivity. It's to promote punctuality and work disciplines amongst employees. And fourth, complaints insurance helps organizations follow labor laws and company policies. Attendance records have challenges too. First, technical issues. The system can be error and downtime, then can disrupt attendance tracking. Second, high implementation costs. It means the initial setup and maintenance can be expensive. Third, data security risk. Potential for data breaches or unauthorized access. And fourth, employee resistance. Some employees may feel uncomfortable with strict monitoring. Then, we have justification of the new investment. For the risk avoidance, investing in a new system helps the organization minimize and prevent potential risks such as data loss, human error, and non-compliance with labor laws. Digital attendance record systems, for instance, provide secure and accurate tracking, reducing the chances of payroll disputes, fraudulent practice like body punching, and penalties due to inaccurate reporting. By proactively addressing these issues, the organization safeguards its reputation and avoids unnecessary financial losses. And lastly, for organizational enhancement, the new system enhances the organizations by streamlining processes, improving efficiency, and supporting better decision making. With accurate data and automated reporting, management can plan workforce allocation more effectively and monitor productivity in real time. It also boosts employee morale by ensuring fairness and transparency in attendance tracking and payroll management. Overall, this investment contributes to long-term growth and stronger organizational structure.
Thank you, Fatini, for the explanation. Now, I will continue with this part, which is about cost-benefit analysis. I'm Alia Shakira, and I will explain about this part. Basically, CBA, or also known as cost-benefit analysis, is a method that an organization uses to decide whether the project or investment is worth it. The idea is simple, where we expect to gain whether they are tangible or intangible. There's a lot of important CBA to the organization, where it can help management to decide if an investment like digitalizing attendance tracking really adds more value compared to continuing with manual participation. It also justify whether the investment in HRS system is financially worthwhile. It also can help to identify the potential risks so the organization can be aware of hidden costs or challenges before the implementation. Lastly, it ensures the project actually support the organization goals, things like efficiency, compliance, and also employee satisfaction. In short, CBA is not just about calculating the profit or losses, but also about making sure the project fully delivers value to the organization. Next, we have direct and indirect revenue enhancement. In simple terms, this is about how we improving the system like HRS that can increase the revenue either directly through efficiency or indirectly through better employee performance and company reputation. As you can see, as stated in the slide presentation, overall the revenue enhancement happens not just from cutting error and saving time, but also from creating a better work environment and stronger leadership. Now, let's move to the direct and indirect cost reduction. Basically, cost reduction is about identifying and minimizing the expense a company has while still keeping or even improving the quality of its service. As you can see, I have stated the direct and indirect for our attendance system. In short, cost reduction doesn't only mean cutting the direct expenses, but also creating smoother operation and better relationship within the workplace. Now, let's talk about the direct and indirect costs of implementation. Basically, these are the expense that come with introducing a new system and making sure it's successfully adopted. As you can see, I have stated the direct and indirect costs of implementation. Overall, while implementation comes with both direct and indirect costs, these are necessary investment to ensure the system runs smoothly to the long term. So that's all from me. I will pass this presentation to my teammates, which is Kaisal. Thank you.
My name is Muhammad Kaisal. Today, I will present my parts, which cover the HRS cost-benefit analysis matrix and the cost-benefit ratio. So, for this slide, we present the HRS cost-benefit analysis matrix, starting with direct benefits. The system reduced payroll errors by 40,000 ringgit, increased productivity by 7,500 ringgit, and improved HR strategic focus worth for 3,000 ringgit. For indirect benefits, it helped improve employee motivation worth for 4,500 ringgit, ensures compliance to avoid penalties of 2,000 ringgit, and strengthens employee branding worth 6,500 ringgit. Next, direct cost reduction. The system saved 5,000 ringgit through paperless operation, reduce HR processing time worth 3,500 ringgit, and lower overtime costs by 3,000. Meanwhile, the indirect costs includes fewer employee disputes worth 2,000 ringgit, better work scheduling for 3,000 ringgit, and lower turnover costs valued at 5,000 ringgit. Finally, the new implementation cost consists of software license at 9,500 ringgit, biometric device at 6,500 ringgit, training costs at 3,500 ringgit, downtime at 4,000 ringgit, and support costs worth 3,500 ringgit. Overall, when comparing all of these, the benefits are higher than the costs. So, we're moving on the cost-benefit ratio. The total benefit from this HRS project amount to 49,000 ringgit, while the total implementation cost is 27,000 ringgit. When we divide 49,000 ringgit by 27,000 ringgit, we get a ratio of 1.81. This means that for every 1 ringgit invested, the organization gains around 1.81 ringgit in return. Since the ratio is greater than 1, this project is considered financially worthwhile and sustainable for the organization. So, let's conclude my part of the presentation on the HRS CBA matrix and the cost-benefit ratio.
Hi, my name is Nur Amalia Aiza binti Nazdi. So I will continue to 3.0, the system database. So according to Touch Target 2025, a database management refers to a software system to create and manage database and serve an interface between database and users of application program. So there are several function database in attendance system. For the first one is data retrieval to query attendance record easily. For example, searching for a specific employee's attendance on a certain date. Number 2 is data update when there is a user in or out, edit and absence to present and user detail where the system enables automatic or manual updates. Next is data validation and integrity to prevent duplicate attendance for the same user and date, also to ensure valid foreign keys. For the last one is report analytics to generate report like monthly attendance and absence summary that will help management make a better decision. Then we move to the database structure of attendance system that shows 6 tables where we have employee to store employees' profile information, duty duration to record the work schedule of employees, then leave table to record the information about employees' profile leave. The departments table is to identify the department and positions of employees. Next is the job title to store the job title or position held by employees. And the last one is attendance report to provide a comprehensive overview combining attendance and work-related data. This is the example of system user interface of attendance system that I have explained just now. Then we move to data mining, analyzing and extracting valuable information. Number 1 is employee data management that store personal detail of employees such as name, age, email, password, position, and department. This allows management to identify the employees and easy to transform daily records into valuable information. Next, number 2 is recording the type of leave, data, and position of employees to ensure accurate attendance record and also to help determine organizational effectiveness. For the last one is automated report to generate report on leave, total work, and employee salaries to do performance report to reflect employee discipline and reliability.
4.0 issues related to the system. In our current system, there are several main issues that we can identify. First, data accuracy and completeness. Sometimes attendance records are inconsistent or incomplete. When there are missing entries or errors in data input, whether manual or automated, the vendor reports become unreliable. Even small mistake can affect all the summary and accuracy of the report. Second, data consolidation. Attendance data often come from different classes, departments or branches. The problem is that this data is not always standardized. As a result, it becomes very time consuming to merge and cross-check all the records before generating a proper report. And finally, limited report customization. Most existing systems only provide fixed report formats. Users don't have the flexibility to filter or customize report based on their specific needs, such as by date, class, department, or individual staff. So, these are the 3 major issues that we need to address to improve the efficiency and reliability of the system.
My name is Noor Hidayah binti Ruslan. Now I would like to continue with my part, which is focused on the recommendations. Firstly, to address data accuracy and completeness, the organization should implement an automated attendance system such as biometric, QR code, or RFID to minimize human errors. Department heads or supervisor should verify records daily, while regular staff training will ensure proper data entry. Secondly, for data consolidation issues, it is important to standardize the attendance format across all departments or branches. A centralized database should be introduced so that records flow into one platform automatically. Data validation tools can also help detect duplicates or inconsistencies. Lastly, to overcome limited report customization, the system should be upgraded to allow filtering by date, department, branch, or individual employee. Reports should also be exportable into different formats such as Excel, PDF, or CSV. Additionally, interactive dashboard with drill-down features will provide management with both an overall view and detailed insight quickly. So, for the conclusion, the implementation of a digital attendance system brings significant value to the organization as it ensures more accurate and reliable records, improves payroll accuracy and legal compliance, and promotes employee productivity as well as fairness. The cost-benefit analysis shows that the system is worth implementing with a benefit-cost ratio BCR of 1.81, proving that the benefits outweigh the costs. By addressing issues related to data accuracy, consolidation, and report customization, the organization can streamline operations, strengthen workforce management, and support long-term growth.
Thank you, Hidayah, for the explanation. So this is all the reference that we have used in this project. That's all from us. Thank you.